Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming what IP settings you currently have and why the conflict occurred. Open ipconfig or ifconfig and note IP, gateway, and subnet. Once done, disconnect other devices to reduce DHCP churn and connect the problem device by Ethernet if feasible. This isolates the issue. Make sure to reboot the router first to clear transient DHCP assignments. Power cycle for 30 seconds. Then access the router admin to view the lease table, so you can identify duplicate addresses and reserve or release entries. Next, you choose whether to keep DHCP with a reserved lease or assign a static IP. Reserving on the router is safer. If you set a static IP on the device, pick an address outside the router's DHCP pool, enter the gateway and subnet mask exactly, and add reliable DNS servers. Once configured, flush ARP and DNS caches on your device and restart the network interface so changes propagate. If you used Ethernet to set this, switch back to Wi-Fi and verify the address assigned matches your plan. Finally, verify connectivity. Ping the gateway and an external IP like 8 to confirm routing and DNS. If you still see an IP conflict, undo any static assignment, clear the router's DHCP lease table, and reboot both router and client to get a fresh lease. Make sure to check for duplicate MAC addresses. Virtual machines or misconfigured routers can clone MACs and cause persistent conflicts. If problems remain, enable router logs and use traceroute to isolate where packets fail. Then act on that specific device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.